XRP news about the SEC lawsuit and when it will push the Ripple price to a new all-time high. Why does Elon Musk back Ripple, and why could Monday be a big day for XRP? Watch the video until the end to find out. But first, at the end of the month, we're giving away 50 XRP coins. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe, and tell us in the comments XRP is king. Welcome to XRP Insider. We provide the latest news of XRP Ripple. To stay updated with exciting news, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. To know more, please watch till the end. As Ripple pursues a lawsuit against the cryptocurrency startup, it has finally gotten the Securities and Exchange Commission to agree to give it documents that Ripple says could show what the SEC thinks about crypto. This decision comes after both sides fought in court for months. This lawsuit, which is about whether or not XRP should be considered a security, is still being closely watched because it could set a new legal standard that will apply to the whole sector. The leaders of the crypto powerhouse celebrated their win by lashing out at the regulator, who was at this point seen as the industry's biggest rival. During the time that the commission was getting ready to sue Ripple in court, Hinman was part of the Security and Exchange Commission's team of leaders. Ripple insisted that the commission give them not only the emails but also any other relevant records about how the Hinman speech was handled internally. The Securities and Exchange Commission did not agree to that demand, and they filed an appeal against a federal court's order that they do what was asked of them. It's not clear what, if any, effect the new information will have on the case, which is likely to drag on until the beginning of the next year. Mark Fidel, who used to be the Commission's regional director in San Francisco and later went into private practice and represented clients in the cryptocurrency industry, said that the regulator took a tough stance to protect the privacy of its internal discussions. He said that these conversations have nothing to do with the legal issues in the Ripple case. But it's clear from how hard it fights to keep them hidden that there may be something harmful or humiliating in what do you think? After hearing that Ripple XRP got access to Hinman's speech documents, there is talk that the XRP price will go up. All of the evidence shows that Ripple was right to decide to win the lawsuit. Even so, when the news came out, there wasn't a big jump in the price of XRP. Insiders in the cryptocurrency world are now optimistic that the altcoin's price could go up a lot. A fan of cryptocurrency said that if the Security and Exchange Commission lawsuit goes well, the price of XRP could go up by 10 times. In June 2018, XRP reached its all-time high of $3.02. The price of XRP has been steadily going down since it hit its all-time high. At the moment, it is not clear if the end of the Securities and Exchange Commission's lawsuit will cause the XRP to reach a new all-time high. On the other hand, some people in the community think that the price of XRP will go up because of its success, not because of the lawsuit. Until then, the lawyer for XRP is sure that the commission won't be able to make a decision on the matter. Instead, the court may let a jury decide what happened in the XRP lawsuit based on the facts. In the last few months, the cryptocurrency market has been moving in lockstep with larger macroeconomic trends. The market was under a lot of negative pressure, which hurt other cryptocurrency markets as well. It's not clear yet whether or not a delay in the Fed's planned rate hike will make the cryptocurrency market better in the future. After getting some good news on Friday, the price of XRP has been steadily going up. What do you think, and how much of a rise do you expect? Elon Musk, the richest person in the world, gave Ripple chief executive officer his support. In his two-word response, Musk said that he disagreed with the Securities and Exchange Commission and that he supported XRP. We already know that Elon Musk has been in trouble with the Securities and Exchange Commission before. In the past, he has been criticized for his tweets by the agency that oversees securities. It is also looking at Musk's most recent contract with Twitter. The lawyers for Elon Musk called the commission's move a government-imposed gag order, and some lawyers who work in the cryptocurrency field think that the commission may be planning to throw more fits in response to Hinman's speech. In an email, a lawyer for Web3 Jesse Hines said that if the hidden and emails are as bad as we're hearing, they should be made public. I wouldn't be surprised if the commission's next step was to say that he was going rogue and that his actions don't change the status of XRP. Also, Jeremy Hogan, an attorney who is active in both the XRP community and the Ripple community, has given some very interesting insights into the ongoing dispute between Ripple and the Security and Exchange Commission. His explanation was that both sides sent secret papers to the court yesterday in response to the summary judgment motions that the other side had filed. The public wasn't supposed to know about these until Monday, when they were supposed to be made public. But the company that specializes in financial technology just released its 89-page response brief a few hours ago. And you are going to be surprised. Ripple isn't using the defense of fair notice. Instead, it says that the fair notice defense is a question of fact that should be decided by a jury. Hogan also said something about the situation on Twitter. He said that Ripple lawyers are referring to the case of Ripple versus the Security and Exchange Commission. Ripple also says in the document that the commission has to prove that there is no real factual dispute and that all reasonable inferences must be made in favor of the defendants in regards to the petition for summary judgment that the commission has filed. The Security and Exchange Commission is in charge of this. Because of this, Ripple's lawyers thinks that summary judgment should be turned down because the commission didn't show proof for each of its accusations. But it's still not clear if the commission can make a comeback in the Ripple case. In the letter, the commission said that the evidence shows beyond a reasonable doubt that the defendants offered and sold securities without being registered. Also, it was said that Ripple had admitted in a roundabout way that they wouldn't pass the Howey test. On the other hand, the commission said that the defendant's argument, even though it seems unique, is completely without merit. The accused person's fake test doesn't have any basis in law. In this case, the law favors the commission. Two phrases from Howey that were taken apart and put back together to make a new test are not enough to back up the whole defendant's motion, which got the attention of the U.S. Commission. It also said that the statement made by Ripple and the defendants completely ignores the large number of public promises to help make XRP more valuable and liquid. Ripple doesn't depend on any testimony from fact witnesses. Instead, the defendants relied solely on the testimony of their experts. But the Dalbert ruling says that these experts can't take part.